Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155.
Kapording ha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Congress ka kular Bandung du boarding ha nang kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs jong ka sarkar jala hak khanyo trek urampang arjar phulai kalapan ku Burom yikinong yele kai football bat yo usamla penchangan kurba kiblayo khur Takma na kalimpong yele kai Khelo India Youth Games jong ka samoy arjar arpau arpuwei bat arpuwei arpuar yakini kinong yele kai lapan ku Burom da Chief Secretary jong ka jala uba DP walang ubalong rukum ukongsan haka jialang kapala long hastit convention center Shillong haringkat ka jia sakilang jongki officer katanat sports and youth affair kinongkit kam jongka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kinongkit kam jongki sinjuk pinia yele kai ki bapher bat kiwe kibala shakot soba kinong yele kai kibala shapan ku Burom ki kintop ya ka kenhon yele kai football jongki shenrang kibala wanra ya ka Takmar nong nakalampung yele kai Khelo India Youth Games arjar arpuwei arpuar kabala long hapan chukula Haryana haupnai jelio arjar arpuar nangta ya ka kenhon yele kai football kibala wanra ya ka Takmar nong naka Khelo India Youth Games kabala long ha usnam arjar arpuar arpulai ha Madhya Pradesh ha rempang arjar arpulai nalor kini katanat yele kai sports kalapan ku Burom ro yu usamla penchangan kurba upala yo Korea ka Takma rupa haka jia kop king lieng jongga Khelo India Youth Games arjar phulai kabla long dangshen ha Madhya Pradesh hakani ka jo si lapan ku Burom ru ya Uyan Vincent ubade u coach bat ya ka Sheila Vincent kabade ka manager jong usamla penchangan kurba.
It is indeed a privilege to be here because I think so we have not had this type of function for a long time. And one important thing is that I realized that we also won a medal this time in kayaking, which I think just 2-3 years back nobody was aware that it was practiced and we had a professional team here in Meghalaya. Football, of course, we are one of the cradles of football in the country. We've been doing well, and I'm sure that in the future also we will continue to do well. For those players who have won medals, congratulations to them, but remember only one thing, that we still have a long way to go as a team. We have a lot of challenges ahead. We have never won the Santosh Trophy as far as the state is concerned in football. So it is a challenge and it is also a goal. Other states from the northeast have made it to the podium, whereas for us it's still an aspiration. So I urge all these young players to practice hard, to work hard, and maybe one day we'll be the gold winners in the Santosh Trophy. We have done very well. I remember I watched the finals of the football match in the Northeast Olympics, and we lost very narrowly to the ultimate winners at the point of time. But I'm sure that with more practice, with more training, we will be able to emulate and outperform in the next edition of the Northeast Olympics. The athletes who are present here and all those who have participated in the Khelo India Games as well as other tournaments, I urge upon them to live a healthy life, practice hard, work hard. There is no substitute to hard work, because the national games also will be coming to the state very soon. The sports ecosystem is being improved. Just last week I was in Tura and I went and saw the PA Samma Stadium, football stadium. And just by the side of the stadium there is an indoor stadium which is being constructed. This will ensure that the sports lovers and the sports loving youths who want to participate in all these games, whether indoor or outdoor, now have proper facilities in Tura. In about 9 months to 10 months time, the facilities in Shillong also will be ready. That is in the JN complex. So you'll have new facilities, you'll have a new ground in SSA ground number 1 also, in which a new turf is being laid, especially for football players. And I'm sure that with the coming of these new facilities, a lot of improvement will be there as far as the sporting ecosystem is concerned. And I'm sure there'll be more participation by the local youths, and there should be improvement also as far as winning medals at different tournaments is concerned. I hope that they'll take full advantage of all these new facilities. In fact, our director was mentioning about our various meetings which we have been having in the last 10 days in the state government to improve different sectors in the state in the coming 5 years and to draw a roadmap. One of the most interesting roadmaps that has been drawn for different sectors is in the Sports and Youth Affairs Department. A lot of things will be done, and I'm sure that this will eventually percolate and benefit the local youths. Different sporting infrastructure will be set up, and I'm sure that in the national games, it will eventually lead to some medals being taken by our athletes. We are developing a very good, we have developed a good sports policy, and we are working on further improving it also. So a lot of talent spotting is also going on, and I'm sure that one fine day this will bear fruit as far as sports is concerned in our state. I wish all these athletes who have performed well all the best. Those who didn't win any medals, don't be disheartened. Surely there'll be other opportunities for you. You just have to work hard. You have to strive hard. Nothing comes easy. It's only hard work which will bear fruit for all of you. I'm sure that you'll understand that, and you all know you have to cultivate good habits. You have to eat well. You have to live well. Don't be imprisoned and don't be digital slaves. Sleep late at night at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, then you cannot get up early in the morning to practice. Be very, very careful. You have to be disciplined. You have to be careful in your living and habits so that your practice doesn't get affected and you can play well and win medals for the state, for the glory of the people of the state and also your family and also yourself.